1 city from 1B. Come sing for the babes.
Mr. Harry on this one.
Makumemu PSA Bongo ne me lady so pie na de sa brefie ohima brefie Makumemu PSA Bongo ne me lady so pie na de sa brefie ohima brefie Ooh yeah makuma PSA so we want them yellow lane to ohima Brian ni ore Yeah, my good my PSA. So when you want my yellow lane, when you my bright
Santo.
Yeah, you call me you my mind go far, sir.
Really?
I see you like Madame Oku.
Oh, I see.
Yes, you are beautiful.
Thank you.
You are beautiful more than Queen Elizabeth.
I see.
Oh yes. Oh surely. Hold me a bit. That's why I say leave the Nfanti. Nfanti no be nothing. Nfanti. If you marry Nfanti today, your head will go boom.
Then I will leave him alone.
Yeah. Leave him more. If you
leave.
see Nfanti, yeah, pass there. Okay. You know, let me show my properties.
Where?
You go tech.
Yeah.
You know tech.
Yeah, I know that.
Lego. It be my own.
It be you? Seriously?
Seriously.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not the children.
Hey.
I'm not children.
Oh.
You know, your van is what do you call it? KTI.
KTI, that's
It be my school.
It be your school?
Surely.
Hi, then you have money.
I'm not a children.
Oh, then you go find the car, right? Yeah.
Which car you want?
I want Camry.
Camry. Do you want a Camry?
Yeah.
Oh, don't mind.
Let me
Camry.
show you my favorite car.
Which color?
I want red.
Red. Last year I buy Camry to Nana Mama Brown.
Nana Mama Brown.
I buy car for him.
Are you sure?
Surely.
Mark Brown?
Yes.
Wow.
I'm a proud guy, sir. I buy jumbo jets.
Then you have money.
I have money. Money I have. I have small, big, and double big. The whole Ghana, Santo. I'm a proud.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Charlie, you know something. Nfanti be girl there. No be. Just say, make it see him again. Love him again. So now, kiss me.
Santo, you are lying. You don't have a money.
Me.
You don't have a money, mommy. For please.
Please what?
Forgive me.
I know that. Okay.
Please.
Oh, so
But Santo,
what?
what's the problem?
What?
Sweetie, please, I beg you.
I said I don't love you.
You don't love me anymore, please. Me take you.
You take it for what?
Santo, am I your speech?
You take it for what?
Am I talking to you?
Yes.
I'm talking to the
The
lady.
lady say you know they love you.
The lady said that you love me.
Hey, enough.
Forget it.
I say enough. Me and this guy, who he love?
I love you.
Oh, shake me. Hey.
Santo, that's
said
if you mistake. If you say, I'm going to beat you.
Hey.
Please forget me.
Santo, let's go.
Don't mind him.
Me, I love you. Me, I love you.
I don't love you.
Hey, you don't love me anymore.
Next time you cry, you go see.
Santo, only God can get for me.
Oh, fuck.
Only God can get for me, Santo. Play 2 minutes like that ago. I'm going to tell your uncle. I'm going to tell you. I'm going to curse you. Santo, I'm going to curse you, Santo. You collect my girlfriend. Santo, I'm going to curse you. See me and life.
Girl, you are my world. Girl, you are my love.
This guy disgrace me. It be shocking. When I catch this boy, I will kill him. Hey, this boy, Santo, Sunday. Sunday. Hey, Sunday. What's your problem?
You two, what is your problem?
What will happen to you?
For what?
Santo.
Yes.
Me and you, I have a problem.
No.
Me and my girlfriend. Do you remember? We came to home.
And
yeah. Yeah. So that this girl is my wife. So me and you, we are a good friend.
Close.
Yeah.
Together as one.
Together as one. That's why I come to show you that girl is my girlfriend. So look it for me.
Which guy? This guy working this?
Yeah. If the girl working this,
yes,
I like it.
You be your own.
Yes. Me and you, do you have a problem?
No problem.
Santo, why you do me like that?
You too, how you do like that?
Santo, you did see me tell my girlfriend so that me, I don't have money. See my leg, see my shoe, see my dress. Santo.
Hey, Massa, you the joke. You don't know say you the joke. Your girlfriend, he love you. No, watch me. Your girlfriend, you know they love you. Me, Bob Santo, the whole Ghana, she's love me. Asiakwa.
Bob Santo, you said that me, I'm joking.
She don't marry you. So if you think yourself.
Santo, the baby don't tell me that he don't love me. The baby tell me that he don't love me. If you mistake me, I'm prepare myself.
Me too, I'm prepare myself.
Santo, if you mistake me, Santo, I will kill you.
If you disturb me, I will crucify you and kill you and discuss you. You know?
And then slap yourself. Santo,
yes.
You slap my face. Collect my girlfriend.
Yes.
I'll slap yourself.
Yes.
I'll slap your face.
Me too, I'm slapping you.
And you slapping me?
Yes.
Santo, I will kill you. I will kill you. Santo. Me, I come of Campos. Yeah. And I bring my girlfriend. And you collect my girlfriend.
Yes.
That's why I'm slapping you.
Yes.
And you should slap me.
Yes.
That's why you want to do me in Kunim. So that collect this one. So that collect this one. I say collect this one.
Me, I want no.
If you Santo.
I don't know who say yes.
Santo.
Yeah.
I'm stopping.
Yeah.
I'm stopping.
Yeah.
I'm stopping. I'm stopping.
What's this say?
No,
Santo, breathe.
I say.
I said that I leave the girl to you.
You leave the girl to me?
Yes.
Forever and ever.
Take the girl.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Leave the blow.
Santo.
Santo.
Santo, do you know that you tell my dad here?
What are they? How much?
My dad is 150 million.
And you must say I'm going to say yes.
Santo.
Yeah.
Santo, stop fighting. You just stop my dad here. Santo. Me too. I'm holding you down.
I'm holding you down.
Santo.
What?
Yeah. Santo, I'm dying.
Yes, what?
You cover my nose.
Oh, Totralabas.
You cover my nose. Santo, you going to destroy my time. You going to destroy me. Santo, you take my girlfriend, and when I come to camp, you beat me. Santo, if you are mine like me, come here. Oh, Santo, you destroy my eye. Santo, you go buy my set for me. If you are mine like me, Santo, I say come. Come. I'm English. Santo, me, I'm Santo, come here. I will beat you.
What's this like?
I say come. Santo, come.
Oh yeah, Rolambo. Hey man, I want. Abida, okuwana mi rafo, okuwana mi peo, okuwana mi do. Tiza mi yo, whatever, fashomo.
Bones Africa.
Sheme ni mu show bien, so mi move, fi wanu way to buy my.
Rapping a Maya and therapy, Tadi Caswala and a Mamobi, my boss, the mic and no one to some rap what my said I canopy. When you sign the Yazamopo Bobo, and you buy Sarasa shop on Popo. What's one more he knows?
I'm kill you. Oh, I go kill you. I'll kill you. Oh, I go kill you.
Hey! Come on, now wait.
Santo.
Sibla. Ah, si, the guy.
And you know me nyoko na yemuna.
Ne.
Ha, Santo.
Ayai.
I want to say me minu da.
Si fabra.
Me say I want to say me minu da.
Say
Me minu.
Uti na mbaye. Sibla. Ha. Masa. Si.
I'm sit down.
I'm gonna fight you.
What's your problem?
Me, what is my problem?
Yeah.
Me.
Yeah. Me and you.
Ah.
We are not a friend again.
Me and you together as one. Why say you go my boss there? My boss there. You tell my boss say me. I'll keep ladies to the room. Why? I didn't think I'll come in master. Pocket say me the mama feel. Yes.
Let me tell you.
For what?
You don't know how to speak English.
And you too.
Me too.
You too. You don't know how to speak English. You.
Me.
You are motherfucker.
Me. I'm in middle school. Can you wait?
I'm gonna check that. Listen, take Lego.
Take the go.
Lego.
Okay.
You are hot and coast. Now me a dance and you.
Okay.
Where you find?
Okay.
And you may see now, yes, sir. Why you do this? You go my boss there. You tell my boss say me I'm keeping the ladies for house for room. Why?
But Santo.
Yeah, go for it.
Let me tell you that. Me tell your master.
Yeah, you.
Yes.
If you tell my master.
Yeah. Every day. You bring girl to the room.
Everyone say the fucking matter you do. Am I your children?
Me, I tell you say that if you mafia me,
yes.
me too I go mafia you. Me tell your master that every day you bring a girlfriend, different type girls into the room. Yes, me tell it.
You tell my boss say every day, room ladies.
Yes, I take my girlfriend to Cape Coast, come to Kumasi, and you dissing me, my girlfriend, and collect my girlfriend.
As soon as you two, you diss my boss, say, me the ladies, come the house, you the kids.
Me do that.
You.
Me tell your master.
Why am I sure what? Would you slap you again?
You slap me 2 times.
Yes.
Why you do this to me? You take my girlfriend.
That's right.
Yes.
For her.
My girlfriend, me, I take my girlfriend to Cape Coast, come to Kumasi, and you dissing me, my girlfriend, and collect my girlfriend.
Me, take your girlfriend.
Yeah.
Your girlfriend, you know they love you. Me, I love you. Show them out.
Every man,
you
slap
me.
me.
Are you a crazy?
You do this to me, and you beat me and destroy my shirt.
Yes.
I don't do anything.
I'll beat you.
Yes.
If you make rough play, I'll beat you.
Oh, okay. You slap my face.
Shaka.
You slap my face.
Wait for me. Do anything you do. I said do anything you do.
You said that me everything I do.
Yes.
I can do. Every man go from girlfriend left me. The girl goes party to it now, man. I can girlfriend left me.
Not Shaka. Girlfriend, Subay. Hey, Magina.
And the channel no coffee.
Give me coffee.
Channel coffee.
Who are you?
Master, where you ma?
Shaka.
And Miss Master, where you ma?
What's
Santo. And the man and them. You said my face. Wait for me.
Who are you?
I said wait for me.
I'm waiting for you.
I don't go.
One our friend.
I don't go. My one and Nanya Kaka.
And Kokoro.
As I can wait for you out the chain. Come on, I will come for the
Go friend Brown.
Aye.
Come on, friend Brown. Hello, say yes.
Okay.
Come in, Master. What could you say? Now I said, oh, yeah, sir, I jump back. I give you some.
Next time, come here. Everything is all right. I'm winning. I'm winning my fight. Okay, man. Next time, come to my home and win. Me today, I finished my fight. If Santo go try me, I will kill him. You collect my girlfriend. I don't care. I tell your master that every day you bring a girl to the home. And you come and stop me.
My party, call back at me. My talk to no bad gracie. Yeah, my party, call back at me. My talk to no bad gracie. In your second verse. That's a them pull us up one of your best. I beg you fit to add money first.
So pie na de sa brefie, o hima brefie. Makume mu pie sie. Onko ne me lady, so pie na de sa brefie, o hima brefie.
Makuma bo mi kinkim, wama mi him, why me kwadonto, or tabo me katponto, and a dream about tintinto, bekuntu woman, a bay, prabese kuntunimu, a bay, maboni benkum, meya panifa, time at the party.
Stylish.
Are you crazy? No, are you crazy? Why somebody sleep? You make up the time. Are you crazy? Next time, don't do that again. I say, who are you?
You know me.
I don't know you.
You don't know me.
Yes.
I'm the one of the owner. I'm asking you to help me. You help me.
I'm here. You.
Okay, one. Are you a you?
No.
I'm not a
No.
Are you a team?
No.
Not a team.
Yes.
Are you wanting that one?
No.
You want
No.
and yet you fucking mine.
Why I'm fucking mine?
You know, oh my thing is my next one.
No. I'm no.
And when you take care of woman, you know that.
Are you coming shorting me?
I'm here to beat you, not you.
You here to beat me? You do me personally.
I will you listen to me, who are anything. I'm already not taking out of our I be very good to my not mind, you know, if you are anything. It may not my uncle me, you know, when I'm on it, I can be very good to my last wine.
Imagine.
There, I will beat you personally for my point to that man here.
Me?
Maybe, you know, when I'm on me. It's now make you personally.
Master, what do you mean? Are you a crazy?
You are your feeling.
Are you crazy?
You are feeling.
Are you out of your mind? I say from the crop.
Here to beat you.
Come at it, tell you, say, come my house, beat me free.
You are collected in wine.
I say, if you make Move. Pass here. If you guys say I'm a small boy, I'm a grown. You don't know, motherfucker.
You fucker.
Me.
Me. I just know you remember
What did I have to say?
You fucker.
Yeah. I said, do what you do. You can see.
You fucker.
I say my weapon be this. Anna, when I say my weapon be this.
Then put it down.
You say what? Make her put it down.
Put it down.
I'm holding it. If you put it down, you go shoot me. You go see. In the Macroft. Move.
I will lose. Man, I'm going. I'll be back again.
Come again.
I will be back again.
I said, come again.
I will deal with you again.
I'm waiting for you.
I want to tell Emma that we will eat.
I'm waiting for you. I say I'm waiting for you.
Am I going for you?
Yeah.
Am I going for you?
Me too, I'm small boy for you.
I'm graduate from school. You know me.
You graduate from school.
You know me.
Me too, I'm graduate from school.
That's why you are honest. You don't want to.
You say what?
You are honest.
Okay, Mati. I'm a champion. I'm a motherfucker. Go take off and say I'm shoot you. Siakwa. Go. Hey, go fight pa. Na go fish me akolana. Say my brother say, hey, kill me. It's not ha.
So brave, oh so brave, you want them a yellow lane, you want me Abina, okuwana mi ravo, okuwana mi peo, okuwana mi do.
Santo! Come back. Come outside. Bob Santo.
Are you crazy?
Bob Santo. What's your beef?
For what?
This today, I have a womb. And this he come to my house that is come to collect his money. Somebody come to his home and tell him that me Nfanti, I don't complete vote for him.
Me I go tell honorable say you no go complete for him.
Bob Santo.
Nfanti.
When you collect the money, we don't curse.
We curse. Me too a curse.
We curse. So me and akosombo water have a problem. Me, I curse that when I don't complete akosombo water kill me. The water have a problem. So I don't vote for him when the akosombo water kill me. Am I your father's son?
No.
Am I your mother's son?
No.
Oh, why you go do me like that?
That's why I don't want you to die.
Today I'm come to kill you.
Me?
Yes.
Shakai.
Prepare.
You wear the monkey trousers and monkey shoes. You come my house. You tell me say you go kill me. You go kill what? Me? To my house.
Okay, wait for me.
My friend.
Oh, I remember the last time when I do this and you go beat me. This set. I buy this set. 20 Ghana cedis from Brain Race. So I don't want to destroy this set. Santo.
Yes.
Me, I prepare myself.
You prepare yourself?
Yes.
Me too, I prepare myself.
I have a specific t-shirt, bro.
You said?
I said that I have a specific. I said that I have specific. I said that I have specific t-shirt, bro, to beat you.
To beat me?
Yeah. Do you remember this top?
I remember.
Yeah. You destroy it. Every day I fight this set. I the fight.
Where?
Did you remember?
I remember.
This? Yes.
I remember.
Wait for me.
I'm waiting.
Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me.
I'm waiting for you.
Santo, remove from me.
Me make I remove for you.
I said remove. Wait.
I'm removing for you.
Yes.
Do what you do.
I'm doing everything I'm doing.
I said do.
I'm doing. Santo. Oh, Santo. Santo, wait. Santo, wait. Santo. Santo, you gonna kill me.
For what?
You don't know how to fight. When you and somebody come to fight, take time and somebody prepare yourself and before you fight.
Make us stop.
Yes.
You greet me.
Yes.
I'm a champion.
But listen, Santo.
Yes.
Listen. This fight, we don't stop this fight. Let's go and meet a fatherable room and fight.
A fatherable?
Yes. Now otherwise, 10 USD.
What?
10 USD and you come to fight.
Me?
Yes. Santo.
Yes.
Santo,
Yes.
if you mistake me,
Uh-huh.
Santo, don't try me, oh.
Miss you to don't try me.
Santo, don't try me,
I
oh.
say you to don't try me.
Santo, don't try me, oh.
Wake up.
Santo.
Get your way. Why the temple?
Santo.
If you can say the temple.
Yeah. You. Santo, you go kill me. Santo, you go kill me. Santo, okay. Santo. Santo. All right.
Who are you? Who are you?
Sorry. Santo.
Are you a champion?
No.
Who the champion? I said, who the champion?
I said you the champion.
Siakwa.
Santo.
You said
I go kill you.
me?
Yes.
You go kill me?
Yes.
I go destroy you.
Me.
Don't forget to.
Santo. I'll cut your nose. Let me cut. Let me cut.
I go punch you. I said I go punch you.
No. You move your leg. Let me cut.
I go punch you. Get your way. Yeah. Come who say yes. You figure say I'm a children. You spoil my destiny.
Santo, I said that you go smell.
Hey.
You go smell. You go smell. Santo,
Hey.
you go smell.
You go see.
You go smell.
Hey.
Santo, I said that you
I
go
got
smell.
Ha.
Me, I'm wrong.
Ha. Asiakwa. You wear the monkey trousers. You come my house to face me. Are you a strong? More time will come back. Hey, I'm doing Siakwa. Say, it's swallowing me. The guy is swallowing me. Papa. What is? Hey, you again?
No,
What's doing here?
I'll come to rent a house.
For here?
Yes.
Here?
Yes. Santo,
I said, move. You come here. What is your problem?
forget me.
Ah?
I'm thinking that everything I do is full.
Ah.
When I mistake, I will die.
Ah. So you increasing your mind.
Yes.
So Papa, he come your side.
Yeah. Let's solve this problem. Santo,
Yeah.
the foolishness of the two peoples are madness. Did you understand?
I don't understand it.
You don't understand. You go to DC home and go and DC me. It's a foolishness.
It's a foolishness.
Yes.
Why is a foolishness?
Because of we came here to fight. It's a madness. It's a madness. Because of we are two friends. Me, I don't DC you. You collect my girlfriend. I don't mind. I collect DC money. You go and DC me. Everything you do is a foolish thing.
Hey, make you know, leave your house, come my house, talk.
1 city from 1P. Come sing for the pigs.
Mr. Harry on this one.
Hey, come on.
Hey, why they call me like that?
You know be my friend.
You be my friend. Santo, you tell me that you are my friend.
Yes.
Remember me. I'll go and take my girlfriend from certain region. And take the girl come and you stand my back. Remember,
Me.
am I lying?
Relax. That matter. Shonam. That matter you talk. Shonam. Don't cry. What did he hold you?
I'm going to funeral.
Funeral.
Yes,
Which funeral?
my brother funeral.
Ah.
Yes, my brother is dying.
Your brother picture me this.
Yes, see,
Where is your brother?
this is my brother, and see me.
Come back.
Yeah.
Your brother be this.
Yes.
You the great.
Me and the great.
You the great.
Santo, you are going to insult me. Me and the great.
As you say, your brother be small. You your first big. You the die.
I'm not dying, Santo. Listen, let me tell you something.
Yes.
My brother don't have a fans in my hometown.
Yes.
Me, I'm the big star. Only me have a fans. That's why I put my pick there.
Go back.
Yeah.
You the great.
Santo,
Are you mad?
me and the craze. Santo, you the craze.
You the great.
You don't have common sense.
Why you dey take your brother picture small? You face blood. Why?
Santo, let me tell you something. My brother, the hometown, my brother don't have a fans there. Only me have a fans. That's why I put my pick there. Yes.
You the crazy.
Me and the craze. Santo, you the craze.
Why you don't die? You keep your picture blood, and your brother movies. You kill this. You small picture. Why?
Is this your concern?
You die.
Is this your concern?
I say you die.
I say I don't die, yo. If I die, yo, is this your concern?
your face.
Fucking man.
See your dressing, you go your brother funeral. See. Like a monkey down and monkey top.
Santo.
Yes.
From Santo.
Yeah. You dey can't fight.
Santo, I don't fight. My honesty.
You dey can't fight.
I say my honesty.
You dey can't fight. I say you dey can't fight.
My brother dying, that's why I don't want to fight.
You go see.
Hey, I beg you.
Stop crying.
I beg you.
Stop crying. Stop crying.
I beg you. I'm crying. What's that do?
Auntie,
Yeah.
relax. Make I show you something.
Yeah, show me.
I have somebody to do poster for you. Plenty. Somebody leave your face outside and keep your brother face inside.
Me, I don't like that. I want my face come inside.
So make I kill you and do the poster go to Omono.
No.
Why? The reason why your brother died. You keep your brother picture outside, and you know they die. Your picture there, poster, land. You go falling for there. Somebody say you die. You don't know.
Thank you.
You don't know.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
You are confusing me.
What?
That's why you are a good boy.
You say what?
I say that you are confusing me.
You don't speak English. You. Hey, make I tell you.
Yes.
Let's go the guy where you do this thing for here.
What is his name?
Safiato.
His name is Safiato.
Safiato. Hey.
I heard it.
Hey.
Yes.
Let's go. You go do you well. You go remove your face, this face outside, and your brother face large. Somebody see your brother. Oh, this guy he died. I'm coming.
Okay. I love you.
Yes.
I love
Yes.
you.
So make go.
Hey. You don't fight again.
Ah.
But Santo,
Why?
let me tell you something. I remember you. Don't collect my girlfriend again.
Oh, I don't collect again.
Do you know that the women are dangerous? They will bring fight to me and you. Do you know that?
I'm a born again.
So let's go.
I'm a born again.
But you are born again?
Fast.
From where? Pentecost or Methodist?
CSC.
CSC?
Yes.
CSC?
Yes.
CSC born again?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
That's why you live here. I'm coming here. I'm calling you. I'm sacred.
Okay, let's go, Santo. The time they say they call me to come, it be late. Yeah.
Your time is what?
The time is be late. Let's go.
You speak English?
Yeah.
Akosombo, my wapol. Yes, my pussy semina. Why you good? Kana folk na good. Konkosa folk, best so was same there. Ball and a pet.
My yellow lane, going my bride all day. Abira, okuana mi rafo, okuana mi peo, okuana.
Go.
I'll stay here.
You say what?
I said I will stay here.
For what? Me, I said, go your house. I'm tired. Go your house.
I won't go because you just slept with me here. You want me to leave this house, huh? I won't go.
My God is so beautiful. Huh? I get gun for my room.
I say you are lying, Bob Santo, you are lying.
For what?
I mean, for what's the problem?
You just slept with me and said I
Don't cry and talk. Smell and humble yourself and talk to me because you are my father.
He slept with me and he said I should leave this house. I said I won't go.
Yeah.
I won't leave this house.
You won't leave this house?
Yes.
Bob Santo, do you know this girl very well? I take this girl from Central Region, Cape Coast, Abunuma. I take this girl. It's mother died, father died. Me, I go buy in.
You buy this girl?
Yeah, I'll buy this girl to come here and you did see me. That's why I'm forget the girl for you. And you want to beat the girl. Say to me, I don't allow you. Go inside. I said go inside. Hey. Why are you going?
I'm going keep outside.
You are lying. You don't go anywhere and put the girl outside.
Go back to me.
I say you.
I go.
Santo, if you mistake.
You come my house. You disgrace me.
It's your right.
You wear monkey top and monkey down. You come and fight me. I'll
prepare myself. Okay. If you mistake me. Santo, mistake. Hey. I said mistake. Hey, Santo, I say leave the girl. I say, do you marry the girl?
You say?
Do you marry the girl?
Yes.
Do you marry the girl?
No.
Do you marry the girl?
Yeah.
Santo.
Yeah.
I said, do you marry the girl?
I
said, do you marry the girl?
Wait.
Santo.
I said, wait.
I said, do you marry the girl?
Oh, wait.
Fuck you. Santo, I said, go down. Santo. Go down and let me run. Go down and let me run. Santo, go down.
Girl, you are my love. Girl, you are my heart. Makume mu PSA. Ongo ne me ladies, oh pie na de sa brefie. Oh him a brefie. Makume mu PSA. Ongo ne me ladies, oh pie na de sa brefie. Oh him a brefie.
Yeah, I love you so much.
I love you.
Collect.
Oh no, it's okay.
Oh, this one is sugar cane.
No.
You know sugar cane? See.
Baby, I won't
See the way I'm chewing. Chew.
Ow, baby.
Yeah.
Do you know what I love about you?
No.
Yes.
Guests?
Yes.
Me, I don't want guests. So.
I said you should get.
Girl, I got understand girl. That's right. Slow the English now.
Okay, I love your lips.
Do you love my lips?
Yeah.
Oh, me too.
Your lips.
My lips?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my lips. Me too. Do you know the way I love you?
No.
The way if you go to the room, the way you go do me like this. That's why we beat.
You're funny.
I'm not a funny. Enter the room.
Why? I'm not treating you.
Baby, I think Cola Boy is coming. Go in.
Cola Boy?
Yeah, run.
Hey.
Cola Boy.
Yeah.
How are you? Yes.
I don't like the way you go do me.
Why?
Why did you do this again? Bye. You know him.
Bye.
Sit down, Santo.
Oh.
Santo, I don't like that.
For what?
Santo, you are my bad friend.
Me?
So I said go.
I come to your house, you run me.
I know you very, very well. That's why when I come, I'll be shocked. Yes.
What?
Santo, do you know this girl?
No.
I take this girl. If the light go off, this girl, I use this girl to shine all my room. Yes. So this girl, I will not.
Relax.
Yes, I'm relaxed.
Your body go down.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm cooling my temper.
I have something to say.
You, Santo, you have something to tell me?
Yes.
You are going to collect my girl again?
No.
Okay, tell me.
I'm a born again.
You are born again?
Serious.
And the God is coming. That's why you are born again. Talk.
You said?
I said that the God is coming. That's why you are born again. Talk.
That's why talking to you say I'm a born again. Am I lying?
I know. I don't tell you that you are lying. I say talk.
The reason why it's here, I'm coming here. Yesterday, I have job with plenty. Me and you to close. Go and do.
Santo, go home.
You said?
I said Santo, go home.
Me?
I don't need you in my house. This house is only my girlfriend. Yes.
You don't need me again.
I don't need you again.
Chop cry again.
No again. Santo, go.
How are you?
Who is there? I tell you I go. Oh, baby, you want me to kill? I know that you want me to die, baby. I tell you that. Oh, you are whopping him. Baby, go inside. Oh, baby. Santo, from Santo, you are disturbing me.
I'm leaving.
I said that you are disturbing me. The baby have a love for you. Santo, go.
The lady.
If the mistake, you collect my girl. Santo, I say go.
She love you, why?
I say go. Santo, you move. Go.
So why?
I say go.
Me.
I don't want to see you again.
Me.
I said I don't. Oh, baby. Yay, baby. I don't. Stand right.
Bye.
Go. Oh, Santo, I tell you.
Okay.
I tell you.
Shut your
fucking man. Your face like a monkey face. Baby.
Honey.
The Ebola boy goes no. Oh, everything is all okay. Really.
Hey. Oh, here they go.
Hey, Santo.
And they come ask you something. Where they go?
What I see you come to do? Santo, you want that? Baby, I don't do anything, baby. Oh, I'm coming. You know this one. And Santo removed this one. That's why I'm taking this one. Baby. Oh, sorry.
Stop fighting.
I don't fighting, baby. I don't like fighting.
You know I love you.
I love you.
Baby.
Yeah.
Give me a kiss.
Let me give you a kiss. Baby, me, I don't like kiss. So.
Why?
That's why my mother born me. I don't like it. You are laughing me. Let's go inside.
Why?
The Ebola boy is coming again. Let's go. Yeah, it's coming again.
Hey.
Baby, let's go.
Poverty, what you worry?
Santo, what's the problem?
Now why I come you take your neighbor inside? What?
Santo, listen. This girl is my only girl. I don't want to take again, Santo. You want to disgrace me.
What?
You want to disgrace me, Santo.
You say what?
You want to disgrace me, Santo. Go. Santo, I say move to my house, Santo. I say go, Santo. I say go. Baby.
Honey.
I'm laughing.
Baby, are you crying?
No, I'm not crying.
Baby.
Yay!
What are you doing?
I don't do anything. I'm carrying inside. Wait for me. Baby, I'm gonna beat you.
You gonna beat me?
Yeah, if you mistake, I'm gonna buy the one. I'm your friend.
No.
Am I your friend again?
Yes.
Santo, I asked you a question. Am I your friend again?
Yes.
Santo, if you mistake, Santo. Baby.
Your head class.
Baby.
Your head class.
The way you beat me. Baby, come and help me. Baby, help me.
I will take
Baby.
it.
Ebola boy, fuck you, boy. Baby, I'm tired. Okay, I'm going. Santo, you are a wicked man. Ebola boy.
I'm a what?
Ebola.
I'm a what?
Ebola.
I will slap you next time you see me, you go wrong.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, I'm preparing myself. But Santo,
Poverty.
do you remember? You promised me that you don't collect my girl again. Why they do me like that?
It not be me.
It not be you, it be what?
The girl came my house, said that we need something for him. You know the
But Santo,
yes.
you don't know anything.
Yes.
You don't know the way you go right. Why the girl come to your side?
He love me. The girl tell me say he love me.
You bring the girl.
I know they bring the girl.
You bring the girl.
I know they bring the girl, but the girl love me.
You are madman.
Me?
I say you are madman.
You two double madman. You know the see.
You are bad friend. You are bad friend.
You two are bad my friend. If you make trouble, you go see. You know they do anything for you.
Hey, take you Watala.
I say if you make trouble, you go see.
I say Watala is coming.
What? Who Watala?
Watala, listen.
Who is Watala? I say who is Watala?
Even me be that. Why everyday program? Every day you and cooperative, everyday program. Why you don't want peace?
Yes.
If you don't want peace, I'll go to Cameroon, go to West Senegal, Benin.
Thank him.
Everyday program.
This guy is fool for me.
This guy.
You, Watara, listen to me.
I'm
listen
listening
to my question.
I say listen to me.
You are lying.
You two in the lie.
Me talk first.
Me talk first.
I say me talk first.
Me too talk
You
first.
convince me.
Me too talk first.
I go cry.
You go.
They convince me.
Stop crying.
I don't go feel watch you.
Listen to me.
I say, watch me.
But go away.
Hey,
Go away.
my friend, if you make one, go see you.
Me I go see.
If you make, okay, open for you. Ask.
Me there, I defend you.
Watara,
Yeah.
let me tell you something.
Master, let me tell you.
You there, I don't go feel watch you. Talk.
I brought my girlfriend.
Master, let
Your
me tell
girl.
you.
But Santo, I'm talking. When I'm talking and you talk, I'm stand your face.
Me too. When I talk, you rubbish to me. I go slap your face.
Okay.
You dey hear?
Be quiet.
Come Santo, if you keep quiet, oh.
I'm too
Be quiet.
Talk.
Watala.
Smoke inside.
I bring my girlfriend from Central Region,
Central Region.
Cape Coast.
Yeah.
Nomabo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm bring my first girlfriend.
Yeah.
Santo diss me and collect the girlfriend.
This guy.
Yes, and my brother also dying, and I'm traveling there. Then I bring new lady
From the same animal.
the same animal come here. Santo diss me and collect the girl again.
Santo, why you no go feel?
You dey lie.
Me and the lie.
You dey lie.
Santo, me and the
See
lie.
your face. See your face. You see the face. You see say you dey lie. The reason why when I talk we fight for here. The girl come my side to make her give her advice.
You have advice.
Just stop.
You are lying.
I said stop.
You are advice.
Yes.
Are you Solomon?
No.
Are you Petro?
No.
You are Simon?
I'm a Moses.
You Moses?
I'm a Moses.
You be Moses?
Yes.
Where is your steak?
I leave my house.
Okay, take my steak in the dreaming snake.
No. The steak, I leave my house.
The face snake.
What can I tell him that and leave my girl for me? Eh?
See your face. The girl love this.
Hi, what I see my face.
No face be no be
You know
I
the
can
best.
tell he be hippopotamus.
Yes, my face. Hippopotamus. See my face.
Look at this.
See, I'm telling you, if you go to your place, you bring people collect. But if you go to Bolega, you know me, girl no be like any friend. No. So go to Bolega.
Okay, thank you. But Santo,
Poverty.
let me tell you. From today going, don't work with me again.
You to pass your way. Pass your way.
Oh, you so what?
So what?
You don't buy for me. And me buy for you. Me buy for you. Pass away. Okay, thank you. Wahala.
Okay.
My friend,
goodbye.
Me and you fight for here. Go.
Okay.
Me and you.
My friend, today going. If you see me any place, you tell me say, I'll catch your girl. I go slap you well.
You don't know what you coming to happen to you. You don't know what you coming to happen to you.
Master,
I'll be your
Go. You are not a gent.
hey,
Good.
my friend, you say what?
Bob Santo,
You
leave
say
me.
what?
Leave my leg.
Make her leave your leg.
Hey,
Who are you?
you asking me, are you?
The girl, you love you.
The girl.
You love you.
You bring the girl.
I not bring the girl, but girl come the town. You see the fresh boy for here. You love me.
Your life is so short. Leave me. Fucking man.
My life is so short.
Yes. I said, Bob Santo,
Yes.
I'll go and report to police and catch you.
You know what?
I'm going to report to police and catch you.
Police station.
Yes.
Don't go to police station. If you collect signing fee, registration fee, organization fee, kiss him.
It's your what? It is your consent. It is your money.
Hey.
Kiss him.
Hey, Wada, don't bring yourself.
Hey, my
Master
friend, don't go police station. If you go the police station, something go the money.
It's your what?
It's
Me. If you choose your own choice, me, I choose my own choice. I'll go catch you.
You go catch me.
Yes.
Go catch me.
You collect my girlfriend.
Me.
Am I lying?
Me.
Am I lying?
You lie.
Fucking woman.
You two fucking
Fucking man.
motherfucker. Don't go to police station. Come make us settle the problem. I don't like police station any at all. If you go police station, my this stop, release, my down, release, my slippers, release. I go sleep. The mosquitoes catch me. Hey, come on, say.
One city from 1B. Come sing for the babes.
Mr. Harry on this one.
This is my favorite. Sister.
Please, you are calling me.
Please, come.
Okay. Oh, please, when I'm coming, you are going. You teach me that.
Oh, please, let us talk 5 minutes, please.
Please, I'm coming.
Please, relax. Ladies. But you're a nice girl. Hey. Please, what is your name?
I'm Dorcas Oat.
Dorcas what?
Oat.
What a nice name. You know me?
I don't know you. Blah. Talk loud.
Oh.
I don't hear you. Talk louder.
Relax. We're humble. Okay? We're humble. You know my name?
I don't know your name. So mention your name. My mother sent me you.
Eh? Oh, and yeah, my name is Bob Santo. Santo alive. Do you know Santo alive?
You call Bob Santo?
Yes, it's me. It's me. The whole Ghana. You know.
Oh, I heard that name, but I don't know the person.
Relax. You see, when I see you, your hips and your this thing, my mind go.
But talk. You don't, Anna. You shot a West.
I don't shot a West. I'm more dialogue.
Oh, so
listen. My project. Let me show you my project. You know, it's my kitchen.
Yeah, I know it's my kitchen.
You go there.
I go there every day.
You see all?
I see all.
It's my own. It's my chicken. It's my own.
So you say me that.
Oh yeah. Oh, I love you.
Okay.
You see, Macom.
Yeah.
When we turn the ice cake and the mutual there.
Yeah.
It's my own.
Okay.
Oh, that's why I'll call you. You know they mind me.
Okay, please.
Let's go to the room. Let's go.
Please, you said?
Let's go to the room. The room day here.
Please listen. When you call me,
yes,
you talk, you yelp. You didn't collect my number and you tell me that let me move for you.
Sorry.
Go to your room. See me, bruh. See me. What do you take me for?
Nicely.
So what do you think? You think that I'm a small girl?
Please, can you give me your number?
Okay.
Hey, please.
0544.
What?
0544.
0544.
81.
81.
83. 82. It's my number.
Please, your name?
Me, I don't mention my name 2 times, bruh.
Oh, but you mention your name.
02.
Nice. I'll call you.
Okay.
But right now, let's go to the room.
Right, I say you go rush. Me, I don't like that thing. Me, I don't like that.
Why you don't like that? You don't like that? Why? Because the people there here, you see me, he call me Bob Santo. I'm proud. Please, I beg you. Get the money. Get the money.
You said?
I said get the money.
The money?
Yeah. Do you know this money?
Hey, you call yourself Bob Santo?
Yes.
And you have this money?
Oh, this money? Long time. We go chop. You don't do it.
By this time, right now, you should not go chop this money.
This money.
Yeah, Tibla, you go rush some. You go rush.
Oh,
please let me go. I don't have the time for you,
please.
to waste my time,
Ah, come on, ha. Ah, I go catch you. This you release this thing for here. This year, this way, I go catch you.
We are two friends. Please give it to me.
What?
The way you collect my girl, Bob Tattoo. Do you think that it is good?
The girl love you.
The girl love me. If the girl they say that they don't love me, they don't come with me to Kumasi.
I go take police station.
Please, Bob Tattoo.
I go take police station.
Bob Tattoo, please. I'm going to rent this to do things.
For what?
This one I'm rent. This one also to I'm rent. Yes.
To do me bad?
Yes. If you take him go, I get more problem.
You go get more problem.
Yes, go give it to me, Bob Sato.
Hey, leave me.
Oh,
I say leave me.
Bob Sato.
You rent this?
Yeah, I'm rent.
You rent?
Everything you go see, I'm rent.
God, I'm not gonna give you.
Bob Sato, please give it to me.
That's why press up. Press up. I said press up before I will give you.
You said me?
Press up. Okay.
You said?
Hey.
You said?
You go fight. Hey.
Give it to me.
I say, give it to me. I go punch you.
Hey. You. Bob Sato.
You go rough.
No.
I say you go rough.
No, I know they go for rough.
You go fight.
No, I know they go fight.
I go take this to police station. Motherfucker.
Bob Sato. Bob Sato. Hey, this boy want to do me. I don't know how I can do this boy. This boy stop me collect my girlfriend. This boy Santo, every day. I will kill myself. This and that. Bob Santo. Let me go and collect my tooth, my ring. Got the ring, I'm ring.
Yeah, my come PSA. So we want them a yell on lane. So I am a Brian Diode. Yeah, my come PSA. So we want them a yell on lane. So I am a Brian Diode. Abira, okuwana mi rafo, okuwana mi pao, okuwana mi dao. Tiza mi yo, bwana me franchomo.
Knocky. I go. Anyone in the house? Please, anyone in the house? Oh, okay. Sweet lady. Please, I'm looking for some guy calling Bob Santo. It's not around? Yeah. Oh, shit. I've come to tell him something. Oh, it's me and Santo. A question I've come to ask him, but it's not there. Let's talk about me and you.
Okay, what is it?
Please, I want to tell you something. If I don't tell you, if you see me, you tell me that I'm a bad man. Santo, you sit with Santo. Santo is a bad man. Santo have 3 girlfriends.
How did you manage to know?
How did you marry to know?
Yeah.
Me, I know everything. Because Santo is my best friend. Santo have 3 girlfriends.
So what can I do?
I want to marry you.
You want to marry me?
Yes.
And I love Santo.
Forget about Santo. Baby, please forget about Santo.
Please don't touch me.
Oh, only Santo go touch you?
Yeah.
Oh, forget. Forget.
Please stop touching me.
Oh, see. I'm a nice boy, baby.
What's your wearing?
Oh, now, oh, sorry. I'm confused. That's why I'm wearing this one.
Who is that?
That's why I'm coming towards Santo. But Santo, yeah.
Go back in.
Yeah.
What do you want here?
I'm coming and greet you. That's why I'm come here. I'm knocking the gate. No one come. This guy come. That's why I'm.
This guy come here. He say what? He say love you.
He's lying.
In the church.
Oh, Santo, he is lying.
He's who lying?
Santo, move.
I said move.
Oh, baby.
Good baby.
Santo, you collect my girl. Me to let me collect your girl.
Me?
Yes.
Me?
Ah, you collect my girl. Me, I'm going to collect your girl.
If you make love, I'll punish you.
You go punish me.
Otherwise, I'll call Bukombaku or I eat the powers.
And you are lying.
Hey,
that's
right. Where go?
I'll go inside.
Me watch what the gate 20 years. Cut the girl for here. You can't knock the gate. You tell girl say that Maria. I will slap you.
Take the girl.
Fuck you.
Take the girl. You see what will go happen to you.
Oh, fucking you.
You see what will go happen to you. Me fucking you. Me to fuck you.
Hey, you slap me. Oh, we go catch you. We go catch you. You know to say that I'm where Jalabia. I'm watching the gate.
You don't have any job. Come here. If you come here, if you are man like me, Santo, come here. You will see.
If you make my food, they go punish you. I'll catch you. Motherfucker. Next time, come here. I come here, girl. You come step my back. Say you did fucking boy.
Santo, collect.
They go punish you. Go they punish you. Go back to God. God. I'm not the first guy. The guy comes step my back. What the hell, man? I don't hear. Go back.
Makume mu piesie Bongo ne me ile so pie na de sa brefie ohima brefie Makume mu piesie Bongo ne me ile so pie na de sa brefie ohima brefie Ye makuma piesie so wuni wane ma yelon le to ohima brain ni ore Ye makuma piesie so ni wane ma yelon le no ohima brain ni ore Abira okuwana mi rafo okuwana mi pewo okuwana mi do tiza me yo bwana me fashomo
Jackie.
Hey.
Please. Good morning.
Sorry, sir.
I'm looking for Bob Santo.
Yes, sir.
You call Bob Santo?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I'm come to ask you a question.
Yes, sir.
You don't know me.
No.
I am the Professor One in Soja in Santo region. You don't know me. I don't want to mention my name.
Yes, sir.
Because if I mention my name, you know me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. My brother called Nfanti.
Nfanti?
Yes.
It's my friend.
Come and tell me that you collect his girlfriend, also you beat him. Am I lying?
You know the lie.
Am I lying?
You know the lie.
Okay. You pay the money and go and take the girlfriend to Central region. My brother tell me that he go and take the girlfriend from Central region. Obonuma Numabo. 2 days.
Yes, sir.
Am I lying?
You know the lie.
You collect all of them.
Yes, sir.
You collected him.
Yes, sir.
You collected them.
Yes, sir.
Am I lying?
You know the lie.
Okay, well done. You are done well. Stand up. Fuck you, baby. Today I've come to train you and catch you going. Fuck you. You call Bob Santo?
Yes, it's me.
You call yourself Bob Santo?
Yes, sir.
You call yourself Bob
Yes,
Santo? Fuck you. Lay down.
Yes, sir.
Lay down. I'm you. Fuck you. You suck my brother. I like my brother so much. I like my brother. I'm crying, you're not crying. When I'm crying, you are crying. Am I lying?
You know the lie.
Am I lying? When I'm crying, you are crying.
I'm not a cry.
Go to presser. Go to presser. Presser. Go.
Oh, Mama Soja. Mama Soja.
Okay.
I'm tired.
You're not tired. Okay, stand up. Stand up. I said stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Me, I don't tire you though. Today, don't do that again.
Yes, sir.
Don't collect anyone girlfriend.
Yes, sir.
You call yourself a Santo.
It's me.
You bring my brother. You bring my brother. Go down. Fuck you. This is your last warning. Don't get again.
I don't get anybody girlfriend again.
Okay. Collect this guy. Collect. You beat my brother. You beat my brother.
Yes, no.
Yes. You don't know what something go happen to you. You don't know something go happen to you. I'm tired.
Cover it.
Yeah. If you? Yeah. That's it. If you
slap me.
Yeah.
What?
Wait. Santo, wait.
Why they slap me?
Listen. I was talking.
Stop. Why they slap me?
The way you do me, you know.
What?
That's why I'm gonna slap you.
You they slap me again.
Yeah.
Stop.
The way you collect my girlfriend. That's why I'm going to. Going to do training, and that's why I'm come and beat you. See my dressing, all my dressing is color the same. Yeah.
So you go to Serious?
Yes.
You buy this stuff?
Yes.
To beat me?
Yes.
I'm a small boy.
No.
I'm a small boy.
No.
Am I your friend?
Yeah, you are my friend.
Am I insulting you?
No, you insulting me, but you collect my girlfriend.
Get down.
Yeah, okay.
I'll shut it down.
Okay, I need that.
Motherfucker.
Okay, you too, fuck you.
Me?
No.
Go sit today.
Okay. Okay, leave me alone.
Go back there.
Yeah. I'm going.
Ongo ne me ladies, oh, pie na die sa prefie, oh, hima prefie, oh, hima